Hey guys, this is part 2 and I just read some comments and some of them were actually kind of mean. And anyway, if you're hating on my videos, you're watching and you're still giving me money, and how about you just shut up, okay? Oh my god. Anyway guys, so I'm just gonna like design this part really quick. You can like do like, it's gonna be like sis location in the Funtime Auditorium, because that one was just so hard. It's gonna be like really hard. It's gonna be like really hard. Oh, what happened to that? Actually, that kind of makes it look a bit cooler. I'm still gonna design it go. Okay, so I'm gonna do like a handprint down here. Like, likes, dislikes don't give me money, it's the views. So yeah, anyway, let's stop talking about this. And okay, so I'm gonna do like this on the line, and there we go. So we can do like a warning sign at the bottom right here. We can do like an age. I'm gonna do like an age. There we go. So after that happens, okay, so when I receive night 1, play sound. We can do like another sound. I'm gonna just choose a sound. I'm gonna do this one. I think that's creepy, or is it? Yeah, that's creepy. Okay, so that is really creepy. So when I receive night 1, wait 7 seconds. Then switch backdrop. Actually, what we need is we need it to be backdrop 2, then backdrop 1. Okay, let's try it. Oh, I forgot to do this out. Okay. Actually, you know what? Without doing this, I should really like do. I should do this. There we go. So after that, we need to make another backdrop. We need to make another backdrop, and it's like outside the office. So yeah. So let's just save it just now. So I'll meet you guys when I do the outside of the office. Okay, so after you do this, you just want to keep doing the same exact thing. So yeah. You guys when I do the other parts.
Seems like a lifetime ago that I saw the gold sunshine glow. No, it doesn't reach down below. Shadows become the light. Here where the monsters hide. Normal is just a dream. And gears creak in my chest forever cold. A cold and maddening descending down so far. Fall farther till there's nothing left. I'm left here in the dark, I dance to forget. This is my penitentiary. Fractured apart from the world where I want to be. Lock the door, throw away the key, and let my dance resume down in a pitch black room. Normal is just a dream for all the ghosts like me. I hate my metal bones and gears creak in my chest forever cold. A cold and maddening descent.
Okay guys, so here's the first part that I did. So I think I would like to do a little cool Easter egg, but first when I receive night 1, actually, you know what? When W key is pressed, switch backdrop to backdrop 3. So let's just